almost 20 degrees minus Celsius this morning. And it's all full of ice. We have had a visitor during the night. We are heading to a fell, Pyhä Nattanen. The road is not cleaned for the cars, so maybe we have to walk rather long way with snowshoes. It's going to be interesting, especially in this weather, in this cold, almost minus 20 degrees Celsius. Up! The plan is actually to use the road and go here, and then this hill climb seems to be quite a steep one. And there she is! The beautiful girlfriend, the one and only, the queen of taiga, showing her muscles, getting ready, totally pumped and into this Arctic environment here, being ready to challenge the mountains and the snow. By the way, there is snow up to your knee at the moment, so the gaiters are totally mandatory right now, and also that kind of hat, if we might say. all right. Let's see if our Japanese rice cup is getting started this morning. We ordered the German car, but they gave us a Japanese, so don't know about that. We'll see. Let's give it a go. Yes! Hi, all you Japanese subscribers. I'm sorry. The car was starting like it would have been under the palm tree for the last 2 weeks. Come on. Say hi. Only in Lapland. Only in Lapland. Try to stay on the tracks of the previous car here. So let's make us the parking place here.
Up there we go.
Oh, yeah. So, putting the snowshoes on. Beautiful GF, rocking her new Sami belt. Here, you can see this. Yeah. And by the way, these round things here mean that she's not married. Well, technically speaking, that's the way it is. But guys, watch out. She's taken! Not married, but taken. Do you agree with me? We will see. Someone has been walking here, so maybe it's not totally impossible. It seems to be like 2 kilometers to the top of the mountain now, but we'll see how long it is for us. You need my help?
Yeah. Trap here in front. Put it down, please. Right. Just pull it. Yeah, but
Yeah!
it's not
Yeah!
working somehow.
It's working with power!
Good.
Ah!
Good.
Ah!
Good that we had eggs in the morning.
Vittu! Other side! Other side!
No, other side is fine.
No, it's not. It needs to be
Yeah,
tightened!
Don't put it too tight.
Ah!
Good.
Pyhä Nattanen, here we come. Beautiful. Beautiful. What is good that here is no wind. The place where we are right now is it's an old ancient Sami place. The reindeer farmers, the reindeer herders. Sompio. This is Sompio Nature Reserve. So in this place it's like strictly forbidden to get off the path, and you know, you're not supposed to camp here or whatever, which is quite strict for Finland. And but yeah, can you hear this? This is what silence sounds like. We were just watching the tracks on the snow, and after a few meters there was 3 or 4 willow grouses flying from there over there, and now they're somewhere there. Beautiful. Whoever has been here and whose tracks we've been following has stopped here. That means Now it gets difficult for us because we don't have a track. We'll see how deep we are going. Not so bad after all. Alright. It's called tykkylumi. Tykky. It's like packed together. Tykky. Yeah. Oh yeah, the scenery is just getting better. It's just getting better all the time. And we are here all by ourselves. Oh. It starts to wind a little bit. But it's awesome. Oh yeah. I was, even with the snowshoes, I was so deep in snow. Some places. It's okay. I don't mind. There is Lake Sompio. Lake Sompio used to be a village before. But then they were flooding it. Yeah, bastards. Used to be a really nice living village there with farming and all. And reindeers, of course. And then they decided that they must start to produce more water energy and all that. And then they were putting the Lokka and what is Porttipahta, those two lakes, they were joining them together with the channel. And from the result of that, the Sompio village was totally flooding. And many people, they had to leave their homes and go somewhere else. Sad story. But I think we have a better view from up there. So let's go. It's like feathers. Like feathers they are. Oh, yeah. Look. You have to see this. We are approaching the summit. That one is the cabin. Look, it's totally surrounded by ice and snow. Crazy.
Holding all the snow.
It seems to be holding it pretty well.
Yeah.
Not the first winter. Hey. How you doing?
Good.
Let me show people your hair. You are like the ice queen is here. Oh my god, I can just like pull them off like this. Look. The peak is so close but so far. It's really hard now. I mean, not every second but every third step, even with the snowshoes, is going half a meter down. Yeah. But it's really awesome here. It's really awesome. So basically on the peak, that's the peak. We have to go on those rocks to be on the summit. But let's check the cabin first. This is crazy. OMG. If I wouldn't know that we are in Finland, I would say we are on the North Pole or South Pole at the moment. Oh, can we even get the door open? That's the question. This reminds me of Star Wars. The Empire Strikes Back. Hoth base.
We are in. Oh, that's bliss.
So, this is the cabin. Here we can cook. 2 beds. The other one has no slat, or half of the slat. get inside. As you can see, there's winter outside. Slats are broken on this one. Viking was here with the beautiful GF. I was worried about windows being all full of snow and all, but we have a window cleaner outside. The beautiful GF. Oh yeah. I can see clearly now the snow is gone. Was no.
Oh.
Oh. You feel cold? Really?
I cleaned my phone. I released it from ice.
Oh yeah. Let's try if this new Stanley thermos is any good. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. Okay, must open a little bit more.
Here we got the
Coming.
paprikas.
Chin
Cheers.
and chin.
Cheers.
Works. Why are you driving it all over yourself?
Oh,
Look at her.
it's hot. It's hot, ladies and gentlemen.
While the water is boiling, I might tell you a story about this fell where we are. So the cabin where we are now, this is the fire watch cabin. The old one, yeah. Up here there used to be like, you know, in those times, there used to be someone who was here, was living here, was sitting here and watching around, making tours if there's a forest fire, and then I think he was using some kind of radio to alarm the fire departments around if he saw somewhere burning fires. Yeah. And now this is like for hikers and skiers and snowshoers and, you know, hiking Vikings who are coming here to enjoy. But this is not for anyone who comes with snowmobile, for example. It's written there in the rules that this is for people who are coming with their own powers up here. Yeah. And this is part of UK-puisto. This national park was given to the ex-president Urho Kaleva Kekkonen to his, I don't know which birthday. It was just basically named after him. Yeah, the bold guy. Maybe the older people know the ex-president of Finland. That's really one of my favorite national parks in Finland. Really nice sceneries. We'll go later to check out the sceneries. Let's eat first. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Oh yeah. Good thermos. We might actually make a test. Your thermos against my Stanley. Which one is better? We just put hot water on both, and then like after 2 days we check which water is warmer in which bottle. And the foodies, I would say 4 out of 5. Needs some salt, but otherwise really good. Better than the pasta bolognese from the same company. Look at this. Oh. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get this hill. It looks rather difficult from this side. Oh, whatever. Lake Sompio, more Nattanen mountains. Here maybe, I try. This is the only way. Let's see. See if I can do it. This is rather demanding. Come on. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Pyhä Nattanen! Here we are. Yeah! You know how it is at the opera? It ain't over until the fat lady sings. I'm not saying that you must sing now, because you are not our fat lady. But this place, this is our fat lady. And I would hate to bore you guys from, you know, going back now, going there, you know. This is the highlight of this trip. And that's why I would like to say we would like to say thank you for coming with us this time to this hike, this snowshoe tour. There will be coming more adventures like this and some other. Stay tuned for this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, and put the thumbs up for this video if you like it. Thank you for coming with us. See you next time somewhere outside, probably here in Lapland. Ciao!
Ciao!
There's something in the darkness. I'm going to do the summit. Yeah, if you need to go, just you know, take a shovel with you. You can dig your way into the bathroom first.